DrDisrespect calls out YouTube Gaming after putting them on the map. So he is saying that he's basically built YouTube Gaming.
He does get numbers.
Pulls numbers?
But the people before them, they were big as well. Like Courage.
Yeah, I don't know. So it's kind of the persona, right?
Yeah.
The persona is I made this happen. The persona is, very macho. That's the thing, right?
Yeah, and he's macho.
That's what I'm saying. In the streaming world, perhaps no name has as much gravity as DrDisrespect. The 2019 Streamer of the Year has managed maintain his prominence in the scene even after being permanently banned by Twitch, although I don't know, they had a court case, they sorted it out. I don't know who got paid. He's on YouTube Gaming now with a few others. But he says in his tweet, when you put at YouTube Gaming streaming on the map, yet they don't even follow you, tweet about you, mention you, etc. I mean, seriously, just stop and think about it for a second. We really are on another level, baby.
Wow.
You like the baby part. That gets you going.
Yeah.
Well, yeah. So there's a little persona. There's a little flavor on there. But if you read between the lines, it's also somebody wishing that YouTube Gaming would acknowledge them.
Yeah. It's not.
It's a little... Go ahead, Jack. Say the word.
Well,
were you going to say it's a little desperate?
Yeah, like I was going to say, he's kind of coming across as like the tough guy, but underneath he's insecure that he's not being acknowledged.
There's a way to write it, which probably wouldn't sound that way. Yo, YouTube Gaming, don't act like I didn't make you. I don't know.
But does YouTube Gaming tweet about other people? Like they do.
They do.
They do?
They do. Yeah. They have their they have certain partners that are.
Do they have? Is there reasons
promoted.
why they wouldn't tweet about him?
I'm guessing because they want to be careful.
Are you talking
Maybe
about
because
the
of
Twitch thing?
the Twitch situation.
Well, he got banned from Twitch without any word. No one knew why. He claims to have known something more than anybody else, but it was just out of nowhere. It wasn't. The public never found out why.
Right. Yeah, I remember that. Yeah.
And so he went over to YouTube.
Right. Put them on the map.
That's right.
And then he's getting nothing for it.
Well, I don't think he's getting nothing for it. He has a whole community over there, and tons of people tune in.
Tweet.
No
Didn't
tweet.
get a tweet.
I guess he wants a tweet. So I don't know. Maybe they should just give him a tweet.
Give him a tweet.
He wants a
How
tweet.
hard is a tweet?
The guy wants a tweet. You give him a tweet.
Look at him.
All right.
Give him a tweet.
It's fine,
Jeez.
and I agree with you. Okay, sure. Give him a
Just to
tweet.
shut
It
him
doesn't
up.
take you that long to give a tweet. But it is surprising that he cares at all. I don't know.
Yeah.
It seems odd. But that is the difference. Like Twitch is so specific. It so specifically aims at this type of creator, whereas YouTube is enormous and vast, and like this is on YouTube and a billion other things are on YouTube. And you just kind of choose what you're into, and could be live, could be shorts, could be this, could be that.
Yeah, has YouTube ever tweeted Unbox Therapy out?
That's a good question. Probably, but not in a long time.
Yeah.
Not in a long time.
We're probably due.
A couple tweets.
Yeah, they need to make up for it.
Imagine every YouTuber is like, I didn't have a tweet in a while.
Yeah. YouTube's like, God.
Give me that tweet. Like they're gonna set a precedent. Yeah. It's like a hostage situation.
Yeah.
They're like, we can't give in. We're gonna set the precedent. They're gonna know we pay the ransom.